What's up, food geeks? Are you ready to make this 4th of July showstopper dessert with me? Let's go! We'll start by greasing the pan with a little bit of butter, and then we'll just shake some flour right onto the pan so that the flour sticks, and don't worry, you can just shake it right onto your counter. Next, we're gonna whip 4 room temperature egg whites with a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to firm peaks. Little pro tip, make sure that all of your bowl, your beater, your mixer, everything is very clean, that you just washed it before you whip your egg whites, otherwise they'll just spin in your bowl. Now we'll whip 4 whole eggs with 4 egg yolks, room temperature, 2/3 a cup of sugar until we have thick ribbons. Then we'll add our butter extract and a heavy pinch of salt. And I like to do this little folding technique where I shake the spatula so that everything is well incorporated. Now we'll fold in those egg whites in 2 batches so that our batter stays light and fluffy. There's no leavener in this besides the egg foam, so we don't have any baking soda, baking powder, or anything like that, so this is the star of the show. I just love how velvety this batter looks. And then we're just gonna pour it into our floured and greased pan. The flour actually gives something for the egg foam to stick to when it's rising in the pan. Kind of like a flour ladder. Into the oven it goes at 425 for about 7 to 10 minutes. You'll know that it's ready when it springs back to the touch. Let the sponge cake cool slightly, and then while it's still warm, we're going to roll it into that Swiss cake roll shape and refrigerate for about 10 minutes. Once the cake roll is cool, we're going to take off the parchment paper, and this is, not the prettiest way to do it, but we get it off, and, nobody was hurt, so I'm cool with that. Make the filling by sifting together the powdered sugar and the cocoa powder. We're going to whip our softened cream cheese and then add in our powdered sugar mixture with our extract and a big pinch of salt. Add about a tablespoon or 2 of that red food coloring. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Spread the filling coast to coast like Space Ghost, and then we are just gonna roll that bad boy up. Throw those candy melts into a double boiler and melt until smooth, and then make sure that you wipe the bottom of the bowl so you don't get water onto your chocolate. Then we are going to liberally coat that sexy ass Swiss cake roll, and then you're just gonna garnish with red and blue candy melts, or you can dye the white chocolate, but it does seize up, so add a little hot water if that happens. But there it is. Check out that beautiful grown-up Swiss cake roll. It's gonna be a hit.